Beautiful EP3 in the house this morning. It's having a inlet manifold. It's also having a throttle body, and then it's having some map time on the dyno. So let's get cracking. You excited, Jensen?
Yeah, doing it.
Doing it?
Yeah.
Oh, I'll get out your way then, brother. All right, see you in a bit. Okay, so this beautiful championship white EP3 Civic is on the dyno. It's had some work done to it this morning. That's my compressor powering down. It looks absolutely stunning, and it's had some lovely mods today. Included a Skunk 2 inlet manifold, a throttle body, a lovely rocker cover. It's had loads of stuff done to it this morning, and it's a very, very nice car. So time to do a standard power run, see how far we get, and then start tuning. So we're going to do an ECU exchange and then get mapper lapping. Jensen's very excited to be making TikTok videos, so do follow Jensen on TikTok. What's your name on TikTok, Jeno?
Jeno.6j.
Jeno.6j on TikTok. Go and follow Jensen. Yeah, let's get on with it. Okay, so it's done its first power run, and it's made, in this particular form, it's made 226 brake horsepower, which is not bad at all. So, right, we'll go through the mods at the end. We're going to get tuned in, but safe to say it's got a 4-to-1 manifold exhaust, it's got a Skunk 2 inlet, a throttle body, and a Tegura induction kit.
Remember that these are 225 standard though.
There we go, and as Richard says, because he is the master of all knowledge, these are 225 brake horsepower in stock form.
Because this is the A engine, not the A2 engine. So this is actually high compression, different, some more important parts of different cams. So these were more standard, so that's about standard power for this car.
Okay, okay. Right, let's crack on. one of my favourites this month so far.
Yeah, super clean this car.
Well, I say it.
Yeah.
Want one?
Yeah, so JDM Ep3, yeah, really clean this car, to be fair, in white, and there isn't a mark on it.
Very nice.
Yeah, very super tidy. We sort of got it in first thing this morning. It was in for a little bit of work, inlet manifold and throttle body. We noticed when we went to push it on the ramp that we were struggling to push it, to be fair. We were like, oh god, this feels a bit on the tight side, and it got an actual seized rear caliper. You couldn't even move the wheel by hand at all. So we managed to get a replacement today. We've got that on, put that on for him as well whilst done, so he's not got a journey home basically with his handbrake on.
His fuel efficiency would have been better if he hadn't just mapped a load of power into
That's
it.
right, yeah. Yeah, so obviously we've rectified that problem, and obviously we've done that with his brakes so that he can get home safe and sound without setting fire to his brake pads. We fitted the inlet manifold, we fitted the throttle body. Like we were saying earlier, this is a JDM, so obviously there are a few sort of differences in this car. They are around the sort of 220 to 225 mark standard, which we made in standard form. We did like 226 with the standard map. We've obviously fitted an exchange ECU, and we've obviously mapped the car. Now, whilst this car's got some very good mods on it, and it has got some good mods on it, and should make, in my opinion, some really good power, 240 to 250 would be my estimate, with a good everything on it. It has got amazing everything on it. The only thing that it's got on it that the customer was unsure about, and to be fair, so was I, it's got a 2.25 inch twin loop Mugen system on it.
I've never seen one before.
I have seen the back boxes before. I've not seen one in person, but I have seen them advertised. It's 2.25, and we all know with these, once you get into that 2.25 realm, when you put an inlet manifold on something like it costs you power. The graph's lovely and linear, it's great. We finished on like 230. I just do feel there's more power in it, and I think the exhaust is what's held us back today. Customer said that from the get-go when he got here this morning. I'm really not sure about the exhaust, Rich, but that's what we've got on the car, so we've tuned to that basically.
Each car on its own merit, my friend.
Yeah, each car on their own merit. The customer is happy with the power, but he says if there was more power in it, he'd certainly be happy to buy a Tegra 70mm exhaust. So he's going.
There you go, Johnny. There's another one for you.
Yeah, there's another one. He's going to go and do that. He's got £100 credit with Tegra apparently, so he's going to go home and order that.
Wish I had £100 credit with Tegra.
I've suggested that he fits the RDX injectors as well, just for the simple reason that I think because these have got different cams and stuff, we'll be approaching the efficiency of those injectors, the standard injectors, and obviously we'll get those in and we'll have plenty of fuel in. So he is coming back to, well, it sounds like he's
to go again,
and pull out those last bits of power that we've got in the car.
Pull out.
I look forward to seeing it, to be fair.
Pull it. You said pull out.
Yeah, I did. Yeah.
Never say that to me.
No. Should we have a look at the graph?
Yeah, come on, let's do it. Okay, so as we always say, red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. We've got 25 brake horsepower gain in the mid-range there. As Rich says, lovely and linear. And we finish at 200 at the wheels. So 231.9, which is 200 at the wheels. So there we go. And here's one last glimpse at this lovely car. You like this, don't you, Rich?
I do, it's a nice car. It really is a nice car.
Didn't Uncle Keith have a white one once?
Vinyl wrapped white. Yes.
Oh, but it was white, wasn't it?
Yeah, but it wasn't a genuine JDM one.
No, it was just wrapped. Yeah. Well, there we go. So JDM as the code word. If you got this far into the video, thank you very much. Like and subscribe, but all that jazz if the feeling takes you there. And we shall see you on the next one, won't we, Richard?
Indeed.
He's on his knees. Where I like him. Do you like that one, Jensen?
Yeah, it's much.
Good man.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it.